Hi there guys, Tom here, Office Boy Builder. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a super exciting day. This series of ripping out this that I'm standing on, which is the ceiling in the hallway, and we're going to be putting in the staircase up into the loft, which is super exciting. So I'm just coming down through the loft hatch. So that's up there. We're going to be removing that. I did a video on how to install that. You can check it out up here ages ago, and now it's time to get rid of it. I've got my friend Chris to help me. We are just putting this up to make sure that we capture all the dust and everything like that, and we're going to be putting the staircase together in the parts. So yeah, super exciting. I'm going to keep you up to date on the journey, and yeah, stay tuned. Right, we have hoovered and cleared all of this. And then what we have done, we've used the recip saw to cut this beam that goes across here. There's a double beam under there. We'll sort that afterwards. But we're basically going to drop this out now. Right. What do you want me to do, Chris? You're in charge. You're the boss.
Okay, so you go downstairs.
I'll go down.
Catch the all dust.
I'll catch it all, yeah? Okay. Here she goes. Right, that's it done there, yeah?
That's it. Yeah.
Nice.
Clean now.
We'll leave other people to clean up. That's not our job, is it? We're going to get tidying up now. We're going to get cleaning up. All of this is going in the skip. Get some ventilation in here. Let's see. Right, we are just breaking the ladder off because these screws have got flattened heads, so that's not much use, and I don't need it anymore. So we cleared all of this. We didn't hoover it though. We're now getting other ladders set up, so we've got access. So we've got another ladder out there, so we've got access. We'll probably put that other ladder here, coming up into here like this. Right, I'm going to help Chris, and then I'll stick you up on a time lapse because we're going to be cutting these out and passing them down. So that is the ceiling completely ripped out. Got a tiny little 4x2 in there that we can take away. But that is the whole thing done. So you may have seen or remembered, I can't remember what I showed you and what I didn't. I've packed out this wall here so that when we put a sheet of plasterboard on, it's the same as this thickness here, and then we'll put a little ledge on there with some LEDs. That'll be really nice. And this wall here I've packed out as well, and it's the same as this now. When a sheet of plasterboard goes up, it's the same the whole way up. So that'll be nice and smooth. It technically doesn't matter, right? Because as the staircase comes up, the wall above the staircase is different from the wall below it, but visually that is. Obviously, you know, it's nice to have things as even as possible. I'm going to wrap the video up here. Follow along. Please do like, comment, subscribe, all of that. And I will see you on the next one, which will be us installing the staircase.